Are you thinking about buying a home soon, but believe you have to maybe work on your credit first? Yeah. Or do you wish you had an option because the rent prices right now are just out of control? But you don't know what to do. You don't know if your credit is good. You don't know if it's bad. You think you might have to work on it, but you're not quite sure. Or you don't know where to start. Are you just sort of in that process right now? If so, I would love to talk to you. I can set you up with a lender, and for free you can fill out an application, and they can assess your application. They'll let you know if you have to work on something, for one, because sometimes buyers believe they need to work on their credit. However, once their application is submitted, they find out that they were pre-approved for a loan, and that could possibly be you. And you might not have to worry about finding that rental home or finding that rental apartment right now, because you can become a homeowner. That could possibly be your option. And if not, then a lender will actually be able to look at your credit report and go over it with you. And they'll tell you what to work on, which steps. They give you the roadmap, because we might believe, oh, I need to pay off this collection, I need to pay down these cards. We might believe we know what we need to do, because all of that is important. But with a home loan, a lender that works with the banks, they know exactly what the banks are looking for in order to get you pre-approved. And for free, literally for free, you can have that option. Even if you have to wait 6 months, another year, 2 years, it's okay, because at least you know what you're doing, and that waiting period will actually get you where you have to go. Because you know what'll suck if you wait another year or two without speaking to a lender or a realtor like myself. It'll suck if you think you fixed your credit to where you believed it should have been, and they pull your report and tell you, oh, you have to work on something that you thought was minor, and the things that you spent a lot of time stressing about and worrying about, like your student loans, for one, because they don't care about your student loans. That's sort of heartbreaking, that you spent maybe a lot of money and time wasted, because time no one can get back. So I would definitely love to set you up with a lender. Most lenders have online applications. Just put your email in the comment section, or you can email me at Jkellysells. I'm sorry, at Jkellysells. Guys, it's been a long day, okay? And I'm not editing this video. It's all love. My son just went to sleep. He's 1. Yeah, so it's been a long day. This just fell on me, so I hit record. But yes, my email is jkellysells@gmail.com. Okay, so you can email me, you can DM me, wherever this video is when you find it, because I'm going to just upload it. Just contact me, and I have no problem setting you up with a lender. Just send me your email address, and we can have a chat, or just tell me your situation, and I would love to help you from there, because dreams come true. Things that are hard and difficult are worth fighting for, and never give up on yourself. Okay? Don't think you're not worthy of it because someone told you so, or because you think your credit score is the worst ever. There's someone that was worse. Okay? It doesn't matter. You deserve it. You work hard for what you want and what you need. If you're single, married, have kids, don't have kids, regardless, you deserve to live somewhere that makes you happy. Especially after working a hard day, you deserve to be somewhere that makes you happy. So if you fall into those categories, I would definitely love to help you. Again, because that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. If you know someone that's in that boat where they're like, oh, I wish I could find a place to buy, I wish I could be a homeowner, but my credit is so bad. my credit is so poor, or, you know, I don't make enough, blah, 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 blah. Some of those things are true and could hinder you in a moment, but we can help guide you and get you on a path that home ownership could be in your near future a lot sooner than you thought. Okay? So again, reach out to me. However, DM me, text me 689-229-8178. And I respond. You can call as well, whatever your preferred method of contact. You know, I love to text and email, but I call as well. So it is what it is. You call me, I answer. You say call, I will call. I'm here. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say, you know. Y'all be blessed. God is good all the time. All the time. Through it all. Through it all. All right, this Jkelly Sells. Have a good night. Morning, afternoon. It's night for me, so I'm going to bed right now. But yeah, if you need a lender, contact me. If you think you need to work on your credit before you sign another lease, please contact me, because you might have options right now that you didn't know were available. Let the professionals do it for you. Let us help you. We're here to help. You know, we work for free. You don't pay us a dime. You don't pay me a dime as a real estate agent. You don't pay the mortgage lender a dime as your mortgage lender. So let us help you for free, because nothing is coming out of your pocket. It won't hurt anything, you know? Again, send me that email, DM, text, whatever, or just encourage your loved one that you might hear down in their self and let them know, hey, I seen this video and this real estate agent said, you know, have someone look at it. I don't care what state you're in when you see this. Have a lender, mortgage loan officer, look at your credit report for you and give you a roadmap, because that roadmap is going to guide you to home ownership. They know what you need to work on. Okay? Yeah, that's it. I already said goodnight and I start talking again. So good night. Jkelly Sells Real Estate. That's what I go by. Little girl in Central Florida, raised in Apopka, Florida. APK. I'm a daughter, mother of 2. Amazing work ethic, and love to put people first, make people smile. I'm a bargain shopper for myself. I love to dress, but I don't believe paying top dollar. So I don't know why I said that. Anyway, yeah, I need to go to bed. All right, good night. Jkelly Sells.